How to fix no phone service or no service on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So the basic or the causes may be due to the poor internet connection or a SIM card damage, software issue or problem with the carrier account. Now, in order to solve that issue, there are certain ways. So if you're traveling internationally, make sure that your device is set up for data roaming. So just go to the mobile data over here and tap on data roaming. So just make sure to toggle on this option so that you do not have issue with connecting with your phone. Then next what you can do is just go to the settings of your device and then tap on the airplane mode over here, or you can directly just scroll down and tap on the notification bar and make sure to tap on airplane mode. Just wait for a few seconds and then toggle off that again. After that, what you can do is you can just go to the mobile data options on the settings of your device. After that, if this does not work out, you can also tap or just remove the SIM card from your device and then install it again. And this might also help you in fixing your no service error on Android. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.